Hello children. Last class in social science for grade 3 we saw knowing our earth. Ma'am said talked about knowing our earth. I gave some details about globe, map, oceans, continents, etc. Now we are going to do text reading. What is that? Text reading. If you have a reader with you, take social science text reader and then sit along with me and then put your fingers down to the each and every line which I read, okay, so that it may be useful for you after this class also. Okay, the lesson 2, knowing our earth. Neeraj's father, this is actually a conversation between a teacher and the students. The student name is Neeraj and the teacher name is Soni. Okay, Neeraj's father gifted him a globe on his birthday. What is meant by globe? It is a model of the earth. It is a perfect model of the earth. But a globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. So, Neeraj has to rotate the globe to see the entire earth. Okay, just like this, he has to rotate the globe to see. Okay, it helps him to spot countries, oceans and seas. But a globe cannot show all the details. To see details of the places, huge globes would be required. Huge na what? பெரிய globes வேணும். Such globes would be very expensive. ரொம்ப காஸ்ட்லியாக இருக்கும். Hence, map are used to show small details. Globes இப்போலாம் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? Maps யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface. Now, Neeraj wants to know more about maps. The next day, Neeraj greets his teacher. Greets na என்னது? You will say, Leah, good morning ma'am while I come. That's what. Greets his teacher and sees that she is holding something big in her hand. It is like a thick, huge chart paper rolled up. Okay. Miss Soni opens the sheet to show a map. She says, this is a map. What is this? This is a map. As you all can see, we have big maps for classrooms. I think you know what is map. Last year in your classrooms, the world map and India map were hanging in your classrooms, isn't it? Yes, we have big maps for classrooms so that all the children can see at them. These maps are called wall maps. What it is? Wall maps. We can hang them on the wall so that everybody can see them clearly. Similarly, we also have a book of maps. This is called atlas. What is called? Book of maps is called atlas. Next topic is directions. Neeraj is saying, ma'am, how should we see the places on the map? It seems difficult to find places just like that. Suppose I want to find a place in India, what should I do? Neeraj asked to Miss Soni. Miss Soni is saying, it is simple with the help of directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east and west. Now look at the map of India. Suppose you want to know where Mumbai is. Actually, Mumbai lies in the west. You must then look at the western part of the map. You will find Mumbai. Okay? This is how you have to, you can find places on a map. Next is oceans. Now look at the map of the world. Tell me the color you see the most. Children says blue. Miss Soni is saying very intelligent. The blue color shows water. The very large water bodies are called oceans. Smaller water bodies are called seas, rivers and lakes. There are 5 oceans. I have told you already, isn't it? They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the deepest water body on the earth. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Okay, this is law about oceans. Next comes the continents. Miss Soni is saying, now look at the different colored areas. See, in the map we have different colors like yellow, brown, green. These are large land masses. Okay, large land masses are called continents. Neeraj says, ma'am, my father told me that we live in the continent of Asia. Are there many more continents? Miss Soni is saying, yes, there are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest continent. Continents are further divided into countries. Okay, our country, India, is a part of Asia. Find out from your parents about your relatives and friends living in other countries. I think students, your cousins might live in Europe, America, isn't it? Okay, next we'll go to compass. Compass. Neeraj says, how can we find directions? You all have a doubt. How can we find directions? I have already told you what is meant by direction. There are 4 main directions. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, now he has a doubt, how can we find directions? Miss Soni says, a compass is used to find directions. It looks like a watch. See, it looks like a watch. The needle of the compass always points towards the north. Okay, sailors use a compass to find their way in the huge oceans. Okay, there are no signboards for directions. Since in the sea there are no signboards, sailors use this compass to find the directions. See, imagine ஒரு sailor வந்து சீல sail பண்ணி போய்கிட்டே இருக்கும்போது எப்படி அவங்க directions கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்க? நம்ம ரோட்ல போகும்போது டேக் லெஃப்ட், டேக் ரைட், இங்கிட்டிருந்து இவ்வளோ தூரம் ஆகும் அப்படின்லாம் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. பட் இதில் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்க? தட்ஸ் வாட் தே யூஸ் திஸ் needle like structure called compass. Okay, how can we find? In that the needle always points to the north. Okay, they sail all around the world with the help of this compass. If they get lost in the country ocean, they look for the north with the compass and they understand that other directions and their correct positions. This needle always shows only north direction. They take out the direction if they are lost. அவங்க போகிற பாதையிலேருந்து வேறு பாதைக்கு போயிட்டாங்க, எப்படி போகணும்னு தெரியாது அப்படின்னா அவங்க அந்த காம்பஸை எடுத்து பார்ப்பாங்க. காம்பஸ் வந்து நார்த் காமிக்கும் இல்லையா, அப்போது இங்கிட்டு தான் நார்த் இருக்குது. அப்போ இந்த நார்த் வச்சு தே ஜஸ்ட் டிடெக்ட், ஓகே திஸ் மஸ்ட் பி சவுத். நார்த்தோட ஆப்போசிட்டில் தானே சவுத் இருக்கும், அப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்க. ஈஸ்ட் இங்கிட்டு இருக்கும், வெஸ்ட் இங்கிட்டு இருக்கும்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சி போகிறாங்க. ஓகேம்மா, திஸ் இஸ் ஹவு காம்பஸ் ஒர்க். திஸ் இஸ் அவர் எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ரீடிங் கிளாஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ வி ஹவ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் த லெசன் to knowing our earth, all the classes. Next only we have note activity session. After this class also I will be sending you some Google link so that you can click it and fill the forms and submit it to me. Okay, make use of these holidays with these online classes and nourish yourself. Thank you.